Over the past week, XRP has surged in anticipation of Ripple's victory over the SEC. A great illustration of a real-world use for blockchain and cryptocurrency is XRP. The founder of Ripple XRP is embroiled in a legal dispute with the SEC. When hopeful investors wait, how does XRP appear in terms of investments? Can it go up to $10? Check out this new video as soon as possible if this sounds like something that would be of interest to you. Let's examine the price development of XRP thus far. 19.9% more recent 1 week. Plus 8.3% during the past month. With the removal of SEC's key witness who would have classified XRP as an investment by U.S. District Judge Annalisa Torres, investors are optimistic that Ripple will prevail in its current legal struggle with the SEC. Silicon Valley Bank's Ripple has grown despite regulatory pressure and vulnerability, with the total number of accounts approaching 5 million on February 23. Up until the verdict, the current XRP pump is likely to continue. The real XRP Fax, a cryptocurrency called XRP, is powered by the open-source blockchain and XRP ledger created by Jed McCaleb. Both David Schwartz and Arthur Brito McCaleb and Brito founded Ripple, which uses XRP to speed up transactions. XRP is the key component of the Ripple ecosystem. XRP is used for all transactions involving the native token on the Ripple network. The asset used to settle immediate transactions between two or more people or banks is called XRP. How has the price of Ripple changed over time? It has been said that Ripple intended to stop using XRP in the ecosystem but changed its mind once interest in XRP as a cryptocurrency surged. Checking XRP price predictions without taking into account recent and older events is incorrect. The SEC scenario made it further clearer. Since its 2013 inception until early 2017, XRP maintained stability. When the lateral motion stopped, until the conclusion of 2017, the cost increased by 35,000%. This achievement was made possible by Ripple's achievement of the milestone of 100 banks globally joining RippleNet on January 4, 2018. When the exchange rate between XRP and USD hit an all-time high. Nevertheless, it was unable to maintain those levels, and as a result, it fell by 76%. After a month, fears of increased rules on Asian markets led to the decline. This factor had an impact on all cryptos, not just XRP. The market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies decreased by almost 43% in 2018. Several factors also contributed to the severe downturn that persisted until February. U.S. officials have ordered Bitfinex and Tether to appear in court, and Facebook announced that it would stop running adverts for ICOs and cryptocurrencies. The Indian finance minister, who pledged to do all in his power to stop the usage of virtual currencies, was the catalyst for the additional decline. The year did not, however, simply include terrible news for XRP. There was a substantial increase in September 2018. In the end of September, Ripple increased by more than 140% in a short period of time. When Ripple's head of regulatory affairs for Asia Pacific and the Middle East, the read between XRP and USD was raised. According to Sagar Sarabhi, the business will launch a solution that uses XRP to speed up bank transactions. Ripple's 2019 was remarkably consistent, with no notable ups and downs. News about international transfers and local cryptocurrencies in Southeast Asia, where the Ripple network is particularly active, has a big impact on its price. For instance, the price of XRP has increased when Japan and South Korea began collaborating to speed up and lower the cost of sending money internationally between the two nations. The downward trend accelerated at the end of 2019 and grew during 2020. The price of XRP was largely constant, with both medium-term bullish and negative patterns present. After the rising trend at the start of the year, the price dropped from February to March. The following upward trend started in July and ended in less than a month. The price increased significantly in November, reaching a high of 79 cents. What causes Ripple to rise or fall? It's erroneous to believe that something special is concealed beneath the price swings. The main Bitcoin movements and Ripple trends are associated positively. Hence, even a halving of the price of Bitcoin can impact XRP. The primary market's trajectory is repeated by the cryptocurrency. The price direction of any asset is still determined by investor opinion, but there were some specific events we should point out. Supply and demand ripple effects are very important. Jed McCaleb, the co-founder of Ripple, sold 54 million ripples in April 2020. It is not surprising that the price fell once the transaction was made public. One of the key factors influencing the price of XRP is new agreements with top banks. For instance, the second largest bank in the United States, Bank of America, announced a deal with Ripple in November. In December, prominent U.S. exchanges, including Coinbase and Binance, expressed support for the impending airdrop of Spark tokens via Flare networks. 45 billion Spark coins were delivered to XRP holders as part of the Flare airdrop. The announcement caused the price of XRP to rise, but it was quickly rectified. Such occurrences have an impact on the market in the near term, but not on long timescales. We have now reached the most important event that is still having an impact on Ripple. The U.S. stock market regulator SEC has filed a lawsuit against blockchain startup Ripple. Together with its two most important individuals, founder Christian Larson and CEO Brad Garlinghouse. The rules are strict in the U.S. According to the Securities and Exchange Commission, $1.3 billion worth of unregistered securities were sold in 2013. For as long as we can remember, there has been an old case hanging over Ripple. Ripple has consistently insisted that the digital currency is a money rather than a security, since doing differently would require them to abide by a variety of regulations. Based on American law, the U.S.'s apparent desire to kill the goose that lays the golden eggs has many people in disbelief. How did XRP fare in 2021? Please remember to subscribe to our channel and use the notification feature so that you may be among the first to learn about new developments with XRP. Starting at lows in 2021, XRP didn't surpass 40 cents until January 30th. The price surpassed the high of January 2018 on April 14th after a sustained increase that began on April 5th. However, because of the ongoing legal dispute between the SEC and Ripple, the market observed a significant decline in the price of XRP from April to June. The SEC asked for a 2-month extension of time to consider the matter in June, and from that time to the beginning of September, the price of XRP surged from 51 cents to $1.39. Nevertheless, due to the decline of BTC, XRP was unable to maintain its positive trend and fell sharply on September 7th. The Liquidity Hub, which will enable financial service providers to give their customers the opportunity to purchase, trade, and hold cryptocurrencies at the best market prices, was announced by Ripple on November 9th. It will go live soon. The pending SEC case and the general gloomy market mood were to blame for the news's muted response. Almost 33% of Ripple's pricing was lost. Due to the SEC litigation and trading, which is a way to wager on the rise and fall of XRP in less than 2 months. The rate is determined by rumors, news, and the general state of the market. If the cryptocurrency market keeps expanding and Ripple prevails in the legal dispute, you will see large benefits. Trade is a different issue. In response to news and speculations, XRP exhibits strong fluctuation, both upward and downward. Trading allows you to wager on both XRP's rise and decline. What makes XRP unique from other coins? Blockchain technology is the foundation of Bitcoin, but the distributed consensus ledger used by Ripple is built on a network of validating servers and a cryptocurrency called XRP. The XRP coin stands for the transfer of value on the Ripple network. In contrast to Bitcoin, which generates new currency to compensate users for maintaining the blockchain network with computational power, Ripple created 100 billion XRP tokens upon launch. In addition, unlike Bitcoin, which creates new Bitcoins as an incentive for miners, XRP is not intended to be mined. Pre-mined XRP coins totaled 100 billion, of which 38 billion were made accessible to the general population. The remaining XRP tokens, numerous apps, and XRP uses are periodically released by Ripple Lab. Developers are using the XRP ledger to build cutting-edge applications for web monetization and gaming content. while interacting with different blockchains to transmit and receive digital assets, including XRP down to our XRP price prediction and calculations to reach $10. Crypto wallets employ the ledger to store private and public passwords. XRP must increase to 1. At $10, the market cap of XRP will increase sevenfold to $515 billion. It would take 15 years for XRP to reach $10 if it were to increase by 25% annually. The main question of the day is when and whether XRP will ever reach $10. XRP stands apart from the competition because it provides something unique and has grown at a rate of 19% each year since 2017. Nonetheless, it has proven to be capable of expanding quickly, as evidenced in 2017 when cryptocurrency skyrocketed by 500% in just 1 month. The primary short-term obstacle for cryptocurrency would be the resistance it built in 2017. XRP could hit $10 in 2023 if it can overcome resistance in the next 3 to 4 months. Yet, it will take 21 years for XRP to reach $10 if it continues to grow at its current rate. Can XRP get to $10? XRP will undoubtedly increase in value in the event that the SEC case is successful. But given the use case scenario for the token, it is unlikely that it will increase in value by 20x in 2023 alone. Even if Ripple can still succeed in the business-to-business market, it is unlikely to hit $10 anytime soon unless there is a significant increase in demand for XRP coins, which is likely to happen after the company's legal triumph over the SEC. We've reached the conclusion of the video, guys. If you liked it, please click like on the video. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and subscribe. I find that the YouTube algorithm is greatly aided by this. Sharing this video with as many people as you can will also help enlighten others in the same way that you have been enlightened. Let's spread the word about this, guys. Don't miss any of our stuff if you are a serious Bitcoin enthusiast. I'll see you tomorrow to discuss the most recent news that affects our entire community.